Welcome to the only country in Africa that was never colonized, Ethiopia. I am here in Addis Ababa, one of the beautiful cities here in Ethiopia. This city is so unique, so amazing, so beautiful, lively. You know what makes Ethiopia so unique? I'm going to tell you what makes Addis Ababa so unique. Follow me and enjoy this amazing episode with your boy, Mr. Maya. But first of all, enjoy the street of Addis Ababa. Peace out. Is the waiting area, but I never knew that you have to go somewhere else to go get your ticket. So you know what, I'm just sitting here waiting for the train, but I don't have a ticket. So now I need to go get a ticket. So follow me, I'm going to show you how to get ticket for the light rail.
Not today, just stay. Just stay. Just stay. One more night.
So I just need to go get my ticket. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'm gonna try my best, man. Somebody's there, so. Hey, hello. Salam. Indebtedness. Okay. I'm going to CMC. 4 beer. Okay, I have 10 beer. Okay, so what? How much? What's the longest one? 4 beer. Okay. Huh? Me? I'm from Ghana. From Ghana, yeah. So I just I just got my ticket. This is how the ticket looks like. This is I don't think my destination is on, but this is the price, 4 bill. So this is how it is. Yeah, this is my ticket number, and I got a change. So 6 bill. But the highest is how much, man? So we have 2 bill. We have 4 beer and also 6 beer. That's the highest amount you need to pay. It depends on the location you are going. I am Maya. Follow me and let's take a train ride. Got my ticket and I'm here waiting for the train. But you know what, I want to show you something. These are the destinations of the train. This is exactly where the train is going, and this is where I am. This is where I am at the very moment. But you know what, this light rail has 2 lines. So this is line 1 and here is the line 2. So which means at the stadium you have to interchange. If you're going to line 2 at the stadium, you need to interchange. So this is how it is. And then this is my final destination. I am here, I'm going to, man, that's too far. I am Maya, but it's too far, but it only cost me 4 beer. And this is the first light rail in sub-Saharan Africa. So this is how it is. I'm going to show you how to take the train from wherever you want to go to here in Addis Ababa. I am Maya. I gotta get this one, man. Fuck it. It looks as if I'm still in China, man. Everyone is looking at me. When I go to China, I look different. In the train, everybody will be looking at you. But same in Addis Ababa, and it's kind of weird, man. Like, you want to vlog in the train and everyone is looking at you. But anyway, you see how it is. Like, this is just like a subway in China. I learned it was built by China, though. So that is how it is. That's why it's like this, man. But I have no seat, so I still have to stand. But if somebody get up, I'm gonna sit down for a while.
Just stay one more night.
Like, nobody cares, man. It's here that people care. I just got a seat, right? But this has been in existence since 2015, so I want to ask Ethiopians what they really think about the light rail here in Addis Ababa. Good morning, salam, and is it in that? In Denatru? No, in Denatru. In Denatru is everyone. Is it, you don't even know? In that ne? Okay, in that ne. I'm a seganalo. I want to know, how often do you use this light rail?
It is since the starting of the service of this train. It's almost about 1 year.
1 year?
1 year.
Okay.
Yes. On the way to go to my school.
Oh, okay.
Then I weekly I use it.
Use it.
Yeah.
So use it every day?
Not every day.
Not every day.
Weekly.
Weekly. Oh, okay. So do you really love it?
Yeah, it's very interesting. It's very comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
And I think it's convenient for you too.
It is convenient.
Very convenient.
Also, it is very good to reach fast at
Your
destinations.
destination. So which is no traffic.
Yeah,
No traffic.
Yeah.
Wow. So this reduced traffic in Ethiopia, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm a Seganalo. I'm a Seganalo. You need to teach me how to say nice to meet you, you know? I don't know that.
Stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay.
Yeah, so the next destination is where your boy is going. I wanted to check the speed, but I couldn't get the speed. I think it's 70 kilometers per hour or something, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, so this is my final destination. I admire. Wow. So come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Okay, so here I am at CMC, and I hope you guys enjoy this amazing episode. Whenever you come to Ethiopia, make sure you take the light rail. It's really efficient, convenient, and very, very cheap. It's your boy, Mr. Maya. Let the world know that something like this also exists somewhere in Africa. And where is it? Addis Ababa. I am Maya. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I am Maya. Peace out. Ready? Welcome to the okay, let's go again. No, I don't know how to